Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach HTML image map syntax, and defining the image map areas so you can make these areas clickable. First off, what are image maps? So if you have an image and you don't want the whole thing to be on one link, let's say that you have an image of a cup of coffee and a cake. You want the coffee to be clickable to another link and the cake to another link. So you can use image maps to define two separate areas, and each area is having their own href. Okay, you can use them to have clickable areas on an image. Use map attribute links to the name attribute. So this is what I'm talking about. The use map will link the image to the map area with the name attribute, and down here in the area section, and you input the coordinates that you want the area to be, the coordinate of the clickable area in the area tag. Very self-explanatory. A little bit more on the area tag. They help define the shape of the clickable area. Rect is for rectangular or rectangle, circle for circular, poly for polygonal, which is just basically means that you have like many points. You can use these for things that doesn't have a clear shape. Default for the entire region, so for the entire image. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to go with the circle area. First, we have to locate the coordinates for the center of the circle, and then we can specify the radius, like how big or how small it would be. And as for the syntax, area, shape, circle, coords for coordinates. Now you have alt, which is what will be displayed if for some reason area malfunctions, and href for the link that it'll redirect you to if you click on the area. I have an image. Let's say this is an image, right? The shape of an image, rectangular. I want this area to be clickable, and it's a circle. So the coordinates go off like this. It's x and y, and it works very much like a grid, okay? And it always starts at this top over here. Now let's condense all of that we've learned so far. Here's the full syntax. We have our image empty tag, source, alt, use map. Remember, we must have this symbol before the name, image map, style to specify the width and the height of the image. Next up, we have map, name, attribute, image map, these two links together. And within map, we have the empty tags area with its shape, rect or circular or whatnot, and its coordinates, alt if something goes wrong, and href is the link that'll open if we click on that area. Now let's have a bit of a demonstration. I'm going to create my image, images, logo, alt equal logo, use map equals to image map, style with 150 pixels, height 150 pixel, close it. Down here, map, name, image map. Okay, area, shape, circle, coords. My coordinates are 90, 65, and 15 because I want the face of my logo to be clickable. Alt is link. Target is blank. So when you click on the face, it'll open a new tab for the link instead of having the link on the same page. href, copy and paste the link. Close the empty tag, Ctrl S to save, and let's run it. Now here's the image. I'm going to zoom it in. Please do pay attention to the cursor. As I hover over here, nothing really happens, right? It's the same cursor, but when I hover near the face, there we go. This cursor change, okay? So as you can see, the circle is around this. Okay, this area, that's the circle. If you want to make the circle bigger or smaller, this is the value that you can change because this specifies the radius. This is just X and Y. If I click on the face, new tab, and here's my YouTube channel. All right, let's close this. Now that's it for today's lesson. Our next topic is going to be background images, which is going to be super fun. Remember to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow, and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.